Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School and today we'll start chapter 4 Simple Equations of class 7. In this chapter we'll discuss about variables, then expression, then equation, then simple equation. So here first of all, what are the variables? So variable means something that can vary or change. Means say what are the variables that can vary? Vary means they will change their values. Variables have different values and are usually denoted by the letters of alphabets such as X, Y, Z, L, M, N, etc. Mean to say variables can be denoted with the help of these alphabets. These letters of alphabets, they are X, Y, Z, L, M, N, and you can use others also like A, B, C, K, M. Like this you can use any alphabet for representing variables. Then after that moves to expression. What are the expression here? If on variables along with variables or numbers. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are performed, we get expression. You can see here this is an expression where we can see here this is a variable. This one X is used here. So the help of variables, the constant and coefficient, we are representing an expression. This total expression is known as expression. See here, in this way you can use other one expression. See x plus y plus 4. You can see here x plus y plus 4. Here we have used two variables x and y and with sign addition sign. So expression can be represented with the help of variables or variables along with numbers, and we will use operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division to represent these expressions. See here other one example, that is z minus 6 here. So again this is an expression, and same here 70 minus 56 etc. In this way you can represent these expressions. Now after that we'll move to the equation. You can see here it is having 2x plus 3, but here equation we are having 2x plus 3 equals to 5. See, equation means equality. This one equation means equality here. Mean to say when we will use here equality sign, that will form an equation. So an equation is a condition on a variable such that two expression in the variable should have equal values. Also example 3x plus 6 equals to 4x minus 3. You can see here in this expression I have used variable only one side. There is only constant on the other side. But here you can see here it is 3x plus 6 with equality sign 4x minus 3. You can see here we have used variable on both the sides. So it can be also a condition on the variables that two expression in the variable should have equal values. Mean to say when I put here the value of x, we'll put here same value on both the sides of the equation so that we'll get the equal answer on both the sides. And this is known as equation. And also after this equation we'll move to the linear equation. What are the linear equation? An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. Mean to say when we are having any equation and we'll see the highest power. See here highest power of the variable, it is 1. Mean to say you can see here this is an equation. Here the variable is x here. It is 6x minus 3 equals to 4. But with the variable the highest power of x is only 1. So this is a linear equation. Mean to say in linear equation we want the highest power of variable as 1. So it is known as linear equation.